This video is going to show you how to make beef stroganoff. What I've done is taken a beef tenderloin and chopped it up into pieces, bite-sized pieces. Put it in a pan that we can put in the oven. To it, I'm going to add 3 cans of beef gravy. That's 2 pounds of meat there. Each can of gravy is 10 ounces. So that's 30 ounces of gravy. We're just going to mix it up a little. We're going to put it in the oven so it gets good and tender for about 2 hours on 375. Then after the meat's all done, then we're going to boil noodles. I'm just going to use mini bow ties. And you can use any kind of noodle that you want for beef stroganoff. Mini bow ties are just easy to eat because they fit on your spoon. Put a lid on this, put it in the oven for 2 hours. Then we'll boil our noodles. That'll take about 20 minutes, and then we'll put everything together. Once your water starts to boil, dump in your noodles and then stir them up so they don't stick together, because you want water on all of them. You don't want them to stick together. You just stir them up a little. And these will boil for 10 minutes, and then we'll strain them. Our noodles are done boiling. We're going to strain them and then put our butter on them. I put our butter in the bottom of the pot to melt a little before we put the noodles back in. And this will help so the noodles won't stick together. And then you can put on as much or as little of the gravy mixture as you want on your noodles. Instead of mixing everything together, we'll have the noodles and the meat and gravy separate for our beef stroganoff. Okay, now that our meat has been in the oven for 2 hours, it's nice and tender. So you just put a little bit on our noodles with the gravy. And there you have beef stroganoff. Hope you like my recipe. If you like spices in it, you can add salt, pepper, whatever kind of spices you like. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.